4 factors that affect your indoor air quality. Poor indoor air quality can lead to a range of health issues and discomfort for you and your family. Let's explore 4 main factors that could be affecting the air you breathe indoors. Ventilation. Without proper ventilation, pollutants can accumulate and linger in your home. Humidity levels. High humidity can promote the growth of mold and mildew, while low humidity can cause dryness and irritation. Airborne pollutants. Common household pollutants, such as dust, pet dander, and chemicals from cleaning products, can affect your indoor air quality. HVAC maintenance. Regular maintenance is essential for ensuring that your HVAC system is working efficiently and circulating clean air. If you're struggling with indoor air quality issues, reach out to Cosby Heating and Cooling in Mount Vernon, Ohio at 740-431-4230. Our team of experts can assess your HVAC system and offer solutions to improve air quality.